Let's see if I still remember how to do this. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Back to basics. Guys, I had this planned for a little while. Not necessarily this road, but just getting back to moto vlogs. And you guys know, feels like it's been a minute since I've seen you guys, but it's only been a couple weeks, and you know, life's trying to win, trying to take away my YouTube. Not necessarily take it away, but you know what I mean. Take away my time that I've been able to put in these videos. And I mean, for like close to 3 years, I put out a video at least once a week. Pretty on average, the same day, same time, same great channel. But I've been wanting to get back to moto vlogging. This is what started it all, was the moto vlogs, okay? That's cool. You got Highway 18 up there. I'm on Old Waterman Road in San Bernardino. You know, I wanted to get back to what I started this with. You know, watching other guys moto vlog. You know, J Fast, Brandon Picasso, Dazzle Rebel Rides, Meatball Rebel, Open Roader Chris, and so many more. You know, Dirty D's, 2 Kiwi Riders. This list could go on and on and on and on. I love the entire Support NBC crew. So now, that being said, man, this road is cool as hell. I love motovlogging, and I love what motovlogging has done to my life. And I kind of had this idea for a video a while back, and I haven't been able to make it. And it's kind of like hobbies, the friend maker, you know what I mean? And motovlogging and motorcycle riding in general, I feel like I have found a big group of people that I really enjoy hanging out with. And it's fantastic. And I feel like if you have something that you thoroughly enjoy, you should find a group to express that. You should find a way. That's going to be the ultimate thing. Like, especially as an adult, it can be hard to make friends. And, you know, I'm in my 30s when I started riding, and, ooh, this is a fun one. Oh, trying not to drag peg it on this road. I don't know this road that well. See, my friend took me up here, and you're going to laugh when you hear this, but he took me up here in a Kia, what is it, Forte GT, new turbo one that they got. And you laugh because it's a Kia, but at the same time, this little Kia is badass, and my friend can drive like nobody's business. We're talking about a guy who held track records at Adams Speedway for a while, for years actually. And he took me and a buddy home one day from work, and he's like, "You got 20 minutes?" And he hit this road like it was a roller coaster. Now, and that's another thing we were talking about, him and I were talking about, is friends in the car scene. He had friends in the race scene because he was all about the track days and all that fun stuff, which they have for motorcycles and everything as well. But we took this road at night, and I was like, I gotta ride this road. Granted, I'm not gonna make this pass as fast as he did, but that's okay. I'm not sliding 4 tires around corners. But I just feel like if you guys, maybe you're coming across this video randomly, maybe you're thinking about doing this kind of stuff yourself, and I encourage it. Do it. Like, it doesn't have to be what I have done with it, where, you know, for years doing the weekly videos. It doesn't have to be all of that. And you can still have an amazing time with it. You can meet amazing people. There's so many cool ass people out there, and what is happening here? Okay, I'll go around. You guys are good. Oh, let's go this way. I still gotta go to work, so we're heading back down the 18. Just I wanted to take that little ride with you guys. Now, before it gets too loud, we're just gonna kind of cruise down this hill. which is also a beautiful view, man. Like, I have not gone the 18. I haven't done it. So, all right, guys. Like I was saying, I can't tell you how many people I've met over the years. Now, you know, just some of you guys already know. I mean, if you've been watching the adventures, you know, going to Sturgis, and we did SEMM, and people came out here, and you know, with Sturgis we drove across the country. You know, Meatball and I had an adventure of our lives, and got together with a bunch of YouTubers and other guys at Sturgis, you know, and there's no words to express what fun and amazing time we made, this adventure and memory, and it's there forever in my head now, you know, and it's there, it's on video, it's on YouTube. It's all because I started riding this bike and making videos. This is where I started. If you guys haven't seen my first episode, please don't watch it. It's not that good. But I got out on the bike. I went down a small San Mateo Canyon and got my motovlogging life started. And that changed my life for the better in so many ways. And I've made some incredibly fantastic relationships and some people across the world I can't wait to meet. I mean, across the world. And I've said this before about groups and different stuff, but just in general, finding a hobby, making friends, and doing that in your 30s. Come on, guys. Like, finding people that you talk to all the time from across the country that you feel closer to than some people you might go to work with every day, or, you know, like, just, it's hard to explain, but I'm sure if you've been in these shoes, you know what I'm talking about. Well, guys, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this ride to work, and it's been a minute since I've been able to actually take this bike out and do something fun. So, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you guys later. Stay safe, stay classy. Hope you enjoyed getting back to motovlogging with me, and I feel like there's a lot more of these to come because this is fun. I love doing this. So maybe I'll take you guys around some of the hood areas and different spots and see just different part of California instead of just the fun stuff. All right, guys, stay safe, stay classy. Later.